Hi, my name is David Jaquette, and I'm the Business Development Director for Tilt Up at Dayton Superior. And today I'm in our Innovation Center in Miamisburg, Ohio, so I can talk to you about our T29 panel base anchor. Our T29 panel base anchor is a tilt wall panel, the footing connection that offers 10 kips of uplip, and we secure it to the slab using our 12-inch Bearcat bolt, which can be used in uncracked and cracked concrete. So I'm going to take a minute and show you guys how to install the panel base anchor. And I've pre-drilled my hole for the Bearcat bolt utilizing a Metabo impact hammer. And now I'm going to install it. So you take the bar connector and slide it into the panel base anchor, which is already embedded in your tilt wall. And we're going to use a Metabo 3/4 inch impact wrench to secure it to the slab. And now it's installed. If you have any questions about our panel base anchor, be sure to contact your local Dayton Superior rep or go to our website, daytonsuperior.com.